Hey guys, it is Podcast Fan here. So this is gonna be my 5th Battle Catch video. So this is gonna be my second one today. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So my energy refilled 110. But let's see if we could upgrade anything. Well, let's see what we want to save up to upgrade. I mostly want the bird cat. Ooh. Also the fish cat. Oh, I didn't realize that we could have got that, but it's actually a really good cat, guys. But, okay, I guess we're gonna go right into it. Leave a like if you guys are enjoying this, series. So, yeah. Yeah. Oh, no, I forgot to add my my bird cat. But it's all good. Now, let me just get that rockin' cat, because I can take out these. Okay, let's let them take it down a little. Okay, a rockin' cat. Destroyed them all. God, actually I'm kind of getting overrun. Let me just shoot this. Okay, so thanks for clearing the way. Okay, I'm gonna get my grouse cat in there. Okay, now we can get cows. Okay, let's save it for the cows. So we are battling South Africa. Oh my God, Harambe! He's stuck in the tower. Man, I didn't mean to kill Harambe last game. It was. I'm just so emotional. I'm just so emotional. Know how hard it was for me to lose Harambe. Oh God, we got 2 gorilla cats. Or 2 gorilla. I don't know what you call them. No, we lost. No. No, I forgot to put my bird cat again. Okay, let's just get like straight into it. So let's just put a few macho cats. Upgrade that. Put another one. Okay, I'm gonna save it for the figure skating cats, because as we saw before, there's a lot of like gorillas and stuff. That gorilla is gonna take out my cow. Okay, so guys, we got this. Spawn this in. Yeah. Okay, think we got this in the bag. Okay. So yeah, we definitely got this. Do that for special effects. Ooh, 6,000. Woo. Let's see what our next one is. Ghana. Let's get this fish cat. Woo. Gonna upgrade this wallet. Okay, so we're gonna do cat guide. Then we're gonna go to fish. Okay, things. Then we're gonna go to equip. Not upgrade. I mean equip. Okay. So what are we supposed to do? I think we're gonna move this there. We're gonna move Grosscow out. Ooh, and this is good. No, but I also want our super rare to go in there. Back. So then we can do this. And cow. Okay. That's gonna be our team. Let's see, rare cats. This cat wasn't really maxed by us. Knocks back black enemies once in a while. Okay, we're not gonna use that now, but okay. But first, I want to go to menu or cat guide. I want to see what like most of our cats are good at. Like. Strong against red enemies, so like that red pig. Thinks quick. One's like the wind. I want to see what our this one is good against. A peanut farmer's son became a rocker to avoid coming out of his nut allergies to his family. Resistant to angelic attacks. I don't know. Guys, let's go see our super rare. Let's just have an easier way. Super rare. I'm gonna hear this. A stylish couple getting on board with the figure skating craze. No stopping these two lovers. Yes, area attack. So that means that we can attack people like... We can attack different enemies at the same time. If you didn't know. Okay. Let's do this. Fish catch really OP, guys. Like it is. When you get it leveled up a little, it's OP. Okay, let's get the cow cat. I want to save it for the... I want to show you guys the fish cat. I don't know. And here's what God does. The God cat. Yep, that's totally God. Woo! No, we lost. Well, guys, I think I should upgrade some more stuff. So I think I'm gonna like replay some maps. Okay. Now I'm just gonna replay these. Sorry, my voice is like kind of hurting, but Okay, so we're doing Japan again. And I'm gonna take out this cow. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm not really talking that much, cause yeah, I'm just not. No, only 3,000. I wanna see 8,000. Whew. Whew, whew, whew. Let's upgrade that. Okay. Whew, I'm bored a little. Guys, make sure you go watch my other video. My origins video, which I'll be posting next. Go watch my previous episode of my previous video, which was Minecraft battle minigames. Go check that out. Make sure you go check out my new water bottle flip video. Took kind of a lot of time to make that. Well, it's just that one water bottle flip took a long time. But make sure to subscribe if you're new. So yeah, let's keep on playing. Oh yeah, and the event is still going on, guys. So by the 17th, if I get 9 more subscribers, because I think I have 11 right now. If I get 9 more subscribers, I will download Balloons Tower Defense. So yeah. And we got this. Oh, and we received treasure, which we haven't done before. What was it? Okay. Upgrade, this. And, gonna level up this. Let's see. Just gonna go ahead a little. Gonna do Kenya. Okay. Well, yeah. I don't really know what to say, guys. Maybe I can feed this with like all my little cats. All my, what's it called? I forgot what they're called now. All of these cats. Do I use that? What cat was good against red enemies? I forgot. I think it was the axe cat. Yeah, the axe cat. That was good against red enemies. Yeah, see, it just knocked it back. Just on its own. Nah, come on. Yeah, we got this. Ooh, 5,000. Pretty good. Upgrade that. Okay. So, yeah, guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you're new. So, hope you're having an amazing day, and bye!